Hey there viewers, and welcome back to another doer video. Don't you just love waking up refreshed in the morning? Can't relate? Have you been feeling like you don't get a full night's sleep? Maybe it's because you don't pay much attention to how you kickstart the day. Mornings can be difficult, especially when you keep pushing the snooze button. Dragging yourself out of the bed can be quite a task, but not if you know what to drink. The right drink will hydrate, energize and boost metabolism. That's right, starting the day with a healthy beverage in place of a regular cup of joe will make a world of difference. But what are these rejuvenating drinks? Is matcha green tea a good replacement for coffee? What about ginseng? Does warm water in a lemon slice really do the trick? In this video we'll be talking about some awesome energy-packed drinks to start the morning on a healthy and refreshing note. Number 1. Ginseng Tea. It's time to switch up your morning drink from just a mere wake-me-up to a nutrient-packed beverage. Ginseng tea has roots in China and has long been used for medicinal properties. This sweet-tasting tea that leaves a bitter aftertaste contains tons of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They, along with other active compounds, fight off fatigue and weakness. All these benefits without the presence of harmful chemicals and caffeine make it definitely worth a shot. What is your favorite morning drink? Tell us in the comments. Number 2. Pomegranate tea. Pomegranate tea is an offbeat choice for a morning drink, but it sure works. Drinking it in the morning on an empty stomach increases the oxygen levels in the blood. The antioxidants present in them fights off harmful free radicals, lowers cholesterol and even prevents blood clots. This means that blood flows freely in the body and in turn improves the oxygen levels. All you need to do is add some pomegranate juice into a regular cup of cool green tea and top it off with some chia seeds to make it more powerful and wholesome. Number 3. Warm water with lemon. Drinking warm water with a couple of drops of lemon juice is one of the most natural, affordable and simplest ways of improving health as well as starting the day. If an alternative to a regular cup of tea or coffee has you interested, then this combination of lemon and water with a dash of honey will be the perfect replacement. Drinking this will also keep the digestive system healthy and working effectively throughout the day by reducing the level of heartburn and bloating. Number 4. Water with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been ruling the healthy food chart for a long time now. Adding just 1 or 2 tablespoons of ACV with water will help in maintaining blood sugar levels, promote weight loss and improve the symptoms related to PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. Drinking this magic vinegar on an empty stomach also increases the body's ability to maximize the health benefits by properly processing the foods that we'll be eating later on in the day. Number 5. Matcha green tea. The vibrant green matcha has some incredible health benefits. Drinking in the morning is the perfect way of jump-starting the metabolism and kick-starting the calorie-burning process for the day. There have been studies that show matcha burns fat 4 times faster than any other average fat loss drink. If you have a fast-paced morning, then magic tea will induce a sense of calm and relaxation. Other than that, it also works as a mood booster, improves concentration and detoxifies the body as well. Number 6. Berry smoothie. A simple berry smoothie is grossly underrated as a morning drink. It's a great way of boosting metabolism and getting your digestive system ready for the foods to be eaten for the rest of the day. Simply blitz some oats, yogurt, banana slices and mixed berries together. This nutritional way of waking up in the morning alkalizes and energizes the body for an extra kick. Add some green tea into this smoothie and power through the day. Number 7. Coconut water. Coconut water is one of the most nutritious tropical fruits. A cool tall glass of this is the ultimate summer drink. However, it's more than just that. It replenishes your body if it's lost nutrients, along with boosting immunity and getting rid of the bad cholesterol. Coconut water also stimulates digestion, which is great news if you're looking to shed a couple of pounds. Number 8. Schisandra tea. Native to China. Schisandra has a unique taste, which is the combination of sour, bitter, sweet, pungent and salty. As unique as that sounds, it has some incredible liver detoxifying effects and regulates blood sugar levels. It even fights off fatigue and increases energy levels, which is much needed, especially while waking up. Having this tea in the morning is a fantastic choice because it also promotes an overall sense of well-being. If you continue drinking it regularly, it will give the immune system a good boost. Number 9. Turmeric tea. We're all familiar with the soothing anti-inflammatory effects of adding turmeric in foods, but what about drinking turmeric tea in the morning? The active component in turmeric is curcumin, which suppresses the fat tissue and promotes weight loss. It's also an extremely potent natural antioxidant that gives more beneficial effects when it's combined with warm water. Drinking this golden drink when you wake up helps improve digestion and metabolism. If the gut is happy, then you are happy. Before we move forward, do you need fighting the early signs of aging but are not willing to shell out hundreds of dollars for supplements? Number 10. Licorice tea. Licorice is traditionally associated with candies and confectionery items. Turns out it's also known for its holistic health benefits. If you suffer from acid reflux or heartburn, then drinking it will be the perfect start to the day. It soothes the digestive system, eases out the symptoms for asthma and external allergies. Just a half cup of this tea per day gives aid to the upper respiratory system. Packed with antioxidants, it'll give a refreshing start to the day. Number 11. Goji berry juice. Goji berries are vital in Asian culture for their medicinal and healing properties. Goji juice contains rich antioxidants, minerals, vitamins and proteins that are rarely found in fruits. Drinking it in the morning boosts the immune system, curbs appetite and speeds up the fat-burning process. Often referred to as the happy or smiling berry, its juice produces a feeling of calm and a sense of happiness, which sounds like the perfect way to start the day. Number 12. Vegetable juice. Adding any juice to the morning meal is always a great option. If you're looking at switch up the morning beverage game and are willing to go beyond tea, coffee and milk, then vegetable juice is just the thing. It's a great way of replenishing and staying hydrated, plus getting the most nutrients out of vegetables. The high antioxidant content in vegetable juices will rejuvenate and make you feel active. A definite one to try, especially if work requires you to be on the go. Number 13. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most unconventional beverages to drink in the morning. It may be difficult to drink this, but once a habit is developed, then it will be a cakewalk into a healthier tomorrow. Drinking just 1 cup of it first thing in the morning will allow the body to properly extract all the minerals and nutrients. It also heals the digestive tract and eliminates the waste that gets built up in the liver and gallbladder. Number 14. Honey and cinnamon. Drink a warm cup of honey and cinnamon drink. Not only sounds relaxing but actually is relaxing. This drink that feels like a warm hug has some serious health benefits. Mornings are normally associated with frantic activities, and drinking this simple drink will calm down the nerves. Just add a pinch of ground cinnamon and a tablespoon of honey and hot water and sip away. Number 15. Cucumber mint water. Cucumber mint water is a great summer drink. It's a simple way of kick-starting the day in a refreshed and hydrated manner. Adding just a couple of slices of cucumber and submit leaves in a jar of water, allowing it to sleep overnight, packs the water with essential nutrients. The body cannot function properly without water, and the combination of cucumber in water cleanses and detoxifies by flushing out the waste, while the antioxidants and nutrients improves digestion. If you wake up in the morning feeling sluggish and low in energy, then this drink will give the right kick and get rid of the morning blues. There's no better feeling in the world than waking up refreshed and ready to take on the day. These drinks are a healthy and nutrient-rich alternative to the traditional caffeine-filled mornings. Check out these drinks that can do wonders for your health, and also learn about these drinks that boost brain power. These 2 videos will clear out the confusion about which drink to have. Do you have any homemade healthy drink ideas? Share with us in the comments.